Hi, Paul here for Santa Cruz County GIS. This video is part of a video learning series for the Santa Cruz County GIS Web mapping application. This is video number 7 and will demonstrate the functionality and tools on the tabs at the top of the GIS Web application. This video will not cover the Search tab as that was covered in video 4 of this series. Starting point, of course, is to access GIS Web. Remember, there is a publicly available internet version and also a version available only through the county intranet. If you are a county employee, you will most likely want to be using the intranet version. Again, this is the publicly available version, which will always start with this disclaimer that you should read and then click OK to. When GIS Web loads, I'm going to perform a quick APN search for parcel 104.02102. As you can see, this parcel is part of the Nicene Marks State Park from the Parcel Info tab at the bottom of the application. I'm just going to close this Parcel Info tab using the white down arrow. The tabs we're going to demonstrate are across the top of the application. So when I click the Select tab, the region immediately below it changes from the default search items. The radio button for linked documents is set by default. Linked documents are a set of various county documents that have been scanned and stored electronically that you can get access to either directly through GIS Web or by contacting a county department such as the Planning Department. When you click the drop-down arrow under Select Active Layer, you will see a list that includes recorded maps, non-recorded maps, improvement plans, zoning history, as well as soil and geologic reports. By selecting recorded maps, our recorded maps data layer will automatically become visible on the map. The next step is to either choose a tool to select from recorded maps, or if you know the recorded map number, you can enter that value and search by clicking the Find It button. To demonstrate this, I'm going to simply use the Select by Point tool and then click on the map. The results panel will scroll up from the bottom of the application, and if there are recorded maps found at this location, you'll be presented with links to those documents. Simply click the Click for Link text. A scanned PDF version of that recorded map will open in a new browser window. This recorded map is from 1858. There are other linked documents we offer for instant viewing through our internet version of GIS Web, including non-recorded maps, as well as improvement plans. For information regarding zoning history, soil reports, and geologic reports, you can get some information through GIS Web, but you will need to contact the Planning Department to get detailed information. The other radio buttons available on the Select tab allow you to select from a set of GIS data by point buffer, by layer, or by feature. To select by point buffer, click the radio button for by point buffer, then click the drop-down arrow for select active layer. Next, set the buffer distance. Then click the tool immediately to the right. Now click on the map to set the point where you want to buffer from. If there are features from the Select Active Layer that fall within your buffer distance, those features will be selected in blue and the results posted in the Results tab at the bottom of GIS Web. I'm going to use the Clear tool to get rid of these selected features, and we'll move on to the next demonstration. You can also select by layer by clicking that radio button, then choosing from Select Active Layer, and we'll choose Water Districts, and this will say Select Feature. We'll say Lompico, and the map automatically pans and zooms to the Lompico County Water District. Again, I'm going to use the Clear tool to get rid of that selected layer. We also have a by feature selection method. After clicking the radio button, choose from the drop-down for Selective Active Layer, then click to choose from Select Tools. So here we'll say County Maintained Roads, which turned on the map on green. And this time we'll use the Select by Box tool, and we'll press and draw a rectangle on the map to select those roads that are county maintained in this area. Again, I'm going to clear these selected results, close the Results tab, and we'll move on to the Draw tab, located next to the Select tab at the top of the GIS Web application. The Draw tab allows you to add graphics to your map as well as text. You can choose the color you want to work with, then choose what you want to draw. Again, when you hover over each of these tools, you will be given some kind of hint as to what that tool will do. So I chose a color. I'm going to draw a point right in the middle of the lake there. Same thing can be done for text by entering it in the box. You can set the point size, click the tool, and then click on the map. You can make that text just a little bigger. Come back, change the color. If any of the points or text that you are trying to add are not quite working for you, you can always, again, go back to the Clear tool and that will clear out all of your text and graphics that you added to the map. The Tools tab is the final item to be covered in this video. On this tab, we have placed tools that allow you to measure on the map and find results for distance or area. You can also get latitude, longitude coordinate pairs or enter a coordinate pair to zoom to. So for this demonstration, we're going to zoom in right at the edge of the lake. We will draw a line to get a distance measurement in feet. And the hover over tells us to press down to start and let go to finish. So I'm pressing, dragging, and letting go to get a measurement here of 478.3 feet. Now we'll demonstrate the area tool. Same thing. This one's a little bit different. Click to start drawing. Clicking once, clicking twice. Click again, 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 and double click to finish off the drawing. The final section of this Tools tab is for latitude and longitude coordinate pairs. If you have some coordinates in this format that you want to zoom to, you can put them in here and click the Zoom To button. GIS Web will automatically take your coordinate pair, place it on the map, and put a little red X there. You can also get information back for a coordinate pair simply by clicking this tool to get a coordinate pair and then clicking on the map. And then these values have changed here to show you the coordinates for the place that you just clicked on the map. This print tab was covered in video 5, so we will not be demonstrating that in this video. And this does conclude video number 7 of the Santa Cruz County GIS video learning series. Thanks for watching.